Hello everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make this infinite curve loop animation using trigonometric functions in Desmos. To start, open Desmos calculator. Instead of looking at the Cartesian plane, let's draw a region with an inequality. Here I'm using -1000 less than y, but you can use a different one. There are multiple ways to do this. Now let's change the color and set the filling equal to 1. The next step is to define a parametric function. There are multiple ways to define an infinite curve. This is just one of them. If you want, you can change the constant for square root of 2 to another constant. Now we need a couple of lists. Define L equal to square brackets 0, 0.06, dot 3, and we close a square bracket. This defines a sequence of numbers from 0 to 3 with an increment of 0.06. Define K equal to square brackets 1, the length of the previous list L. To define a sequence of numbers from 1 to the total elements of the list L, in this case 51. Now let's define a list of points M equal to the function C evaluated at L plus capital T. Since capital T is a new variable, Desmos is asking us to create a slider. Just select Add a slider to do this. Let's define the interval where capital T is going to be defined, that is from 0 to 2 pi, with an increment of 0.01. The next step is to create a list of the small segments using the list M. To do this, we can type M, square brackets, K, multiplied by the variable T, plus M, brackets, K plus 1 times 1 minus T, where T is from 0 to 1. We're almost finished. Notice when I drag the slider T, the segments move along the infinite curve in a loop. Finally, let's change the width of the segments in this list by selecting the setting on the left and type K in the width section. Remember, K is the sequence we defined before. And that's it. Now we just adjust the graphic view a little bit, and if you want, we can change the color of the curve. That's all for today. I hope you like this construction. There are some links in the description with constructions in Desmos and GeoGebra. Try to modify the parametric curve to obtain another shape. Maybe use other colors. The possibilities are endless. Have fun, and thanks for watching.